Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's how to use an auto clicker. Now if you're playing a game and you wanted to sequentially tap in one certain spot over and over and over, but maybe it's tiring for your finger to keep tapping, you can always turn on an auto clicker or an auto tapper. So let's tap into our settings to show you how to do that. We'll scroll down and we'll tap on accessibility, and then on here we'll tap on switch control in the middle. Now under switches we'll tap on that. You can see it currently has 0, so we'll add a new one. So hit add new switch and we'll tap screen full screen, and then under system we'll just choose tap. So basically what we wanted to do is just tap. So go back here, and then I'm going to go to recipes and create new recipe. Now you can name this like auto clicker and hit assign a switch and then full screen, and then we want to choose a custom gesture. Now this is where you can basically choose where you want to tap it and how many times you want to tap it. So say I just want to tap it all over, like anywhere in the middle of the screen. Now that I've done that, I can hit save at the top right, and basically this is good to go. I have named it auto clicker. I can go back here under launch recipe, and at the very bottom I can tap on that, and we want to choose auto clicker here. So now I have set everything up. We just need to make it go. So let's go back here and go back again, and we will scroll to the very bottom, and we want to choose accessibility shortcut. So go there, and at the very bottom you can see switch control. That is what you will want to toggle on. And now at the very top it says configure, and then triple click this side button to access this. So if I triple click that side button, it pops up with the auto clicker recipe, and all I have to do is tap my phone, and you can see that it automatically taps everywhere that I wanted it to tap. I created that custom gesture, so this works in any different app. It works anywhere in your iPhone, any game. Basically you just tap once and it will click a ton of different times, and you can just keep doing that basically an infinity amount of times. So it's a really cool way to be able to turn that on and have an auto clicker. If you wanted to turn off, as you saw, I just triple click that side button again to turn that off, and whenever you need it, just triple click that side button again. Hope this helps. If you have any question, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.